Okay, so we've talked about some things not to do. Let's cover some things that you should do. Here's our top 5 list of things to do as a small streamer to retain viewers and followers. Cue the intro. I'm Christopher. You can find us at twitch.tv/ChristopherFloro. A link to our schedule as well as our other forms of social media, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Discord, and some affiliate links will all be below. And while you're on your way down there to check those out, remember to hit that subscribe button and ding that bell notification so you can stay up to date when we post new videos here. Check out our awesome gameplay videos. Okay, so your numbers fluctuate. 5, 10, 17, 7, 2. You catch yourself clicking that little icon in the corner just to check out who's watching. Relax. Stop worrying about those numbers. It's taken me a few months to get that through my skull, but it's finally working. The more tense that you get worrying about numbers, the less engaging you are with your community. You need to stop worrying about that. The only time it even crosses my mind now is when we get a pretty decent spike going from, say, 5 to 20. Chat with them. Get to know them. If you're playing a pretty intense game, say a multiplayer match in Call of Duty, and you feel like you can't just chat with them, it's okay. Generally they chat amongst themselves until you're at a less intense point of your game. But if you feel that you're neglecting your fans, play a less intense game so you can chat with them and feel more free to interact. Use those raids. We're huge fans of raiding on this channel. When we're at a point that we're done playing our game for a little while, we want to hang out with our community. We look for people playing similar games, similar in size to us, and particularly if our lobby is active, we hang out for a little bit with them. We go check out somebody else, and it gives us the opportunity to discover more people and interact with more people, make more friends. The bonus point to this is they'll remember you, and they might come check you out the next time you decide you're going to stream. Get on another form of social media and do what you can to promote yourself. It's a point that has been said over and over and over again, but the more you do for yourself and your brand, the better off you are. And lastly, take the I out of your vocabulary when it comes to your brand. You are only the face of your brand. Your brand wouldn't exist without the other people that you interact with, your followers, your support system. For me in particular, it's my family, literally and figuratively. The people that I've met streaming and my true family. They watch the stream every day that they can, and they do a lot of behind the scenes things, branding, editing. They're crucial to the endeavors of our brand. I don't feel that we're at the point of merchandising, so to speak, but I can guarantee you if we ever get to that point, they'll be interactive with that as well. What do you think should make the next list? What top 5 do you want to see? Leave it in the comments below. And a bonus point to end on. Be thankful for everyone in your life. Your fans, your support system. I appreciate each and every one of you beyond measure. If you're just breezing in to see a top 5 from a small streamer, check us out on Twitch. It's twitch.tv/ChristopherFloro. Hit that subscribe button, the bell notification, leave a like, leave us a comment, tell us what we can do to improve. Then check out these other 2 videos. Thank you all.